Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. Well, summer is officially here, and that means our favorite Las Vegas fruit trees, like peaches, apricots, and plums, are finally ripening. They are the perfect summer treat.
But unfortunately, the local birds think so too. If you don't take action now, you'll be left with nothing but pits and unappealing fruit with pecks. Bird netting is your best bet, but timing is everything. Drape it over your trees as soon as you see fruit starting to form. Take care not to disturb the fragile new growth. Just remember, netting requires a watchful eye because twigs and leaves grow so quickly they can easily become tangled and the fruit grow on top of the net. Adjust it regularly to ensure that when harvest day arrives, the netting comes off as easily as it went on.
Another fantastic tool is red flashing tape. Birds have incredible eyesight, but they absolutely hate flashy things. They see the color red as a warning, and because this tape is so light, it creates a constant shimmering movement even with the slightest breeze. To protect your fruit trees, just tie 12-inch strips on the outer branches, or for your vegetable garden, tie them to small stakes to protect those ripening tomatoes. If you want to take it a step further, we also have hanging predator eyes. These look like giant glowing eyes that mimic a real threat. By hanging these directly inside your fruit tree canopy or near your garden bed, you create visual, no-fly zones that keeps the birds guessing and your harvest safe.
Speaking of predators, the classic owl decoy creates a realistic threat that keeps intruders away. But you have to be a little smarter than the birds. Be sure to move those owls periodically. Tuck them into a new branch or move them to a different corner of your yard. That simple change is usually enough to trick the birds and keep your harvest safe.
For birds targeting your home, we have bird be gone spikes, designed for eaves and walls to prevent nesting. Finally, don't forget about your lawn. When you are overseeding or fixing patches, birds will treat your grass seed like a buffet. Always apply a 1 to 2 inch layer of top dressing to cover the seed. This hides the seed from view and provides the moisture needed for a healthy green lawn.
For more expert tips on this and other gardening topics, visit starnursery.com.
And don't forget, we make house calls. Stop by your local Star Nursery location to pay for your house call.
Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing. I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.